Beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. We are here with Explore It, man. In today's episode, we are here to witness the commissioning of these beautiful road construction vehicles, which is going to be distributed to the various MMDAs to help in their maintenance and construction of new roads. Kindly stay tuned whilst I walk you through. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content and updates. I previously published a video on this channel, which you can check it out, on the same development when the equipment were being brought to the Independence Square awaiting commissioning. I promised to bring you an update on the same development, and so I'm here to serve you with the latest updates on this. Can you do me a favor by liking and subscribing to the channel? The Ministry of Local Government, under the auspices of the Office of the President and the Vice President, have procured earth-moving machines, or should I say equipment, meant to be distributed to the various MMDAs to facilitate in the construction of new roads and maintain the already existing ones. That's not all. This equipment will as well be used for the construction of bridges and related works. Addressing dignitaries during the lunch, President Akufo Addo said the intervention is a proof of his administration's commitment to improving road infrastructure in Ghana. The newly launched District Road Improvements Program aims to revitalize road infrastructure nationwide by allocating earth-moving equipment to metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies. What this means is that all these earth-moving machines procured will be sent to all the 261 districts we have in Ghana. Every district will have absolute control over their own machines and oversee their own road construction and maintenance. These machines will also employ over 27,000 people across the 261 districts to operate these machines. Yes, you heard me right. 26,000 youths to be recruited. That's a significant number of the youths getting employed. The program will foster sustainable development, improve connectivity, and elevate living standards by equipping local authorities with the necessary tools and resources. According to data available at the Ministry of Roads and Highways, this government has constructed roads more than any other government since independence. Wow. And they are seeking to further stretch that record by even constructing more than they have done previously. According to the data, over 11,000 kilometers of road have been constructed and 12 interchanges. This is according to the Ministry of Roads and not mine. The data is available on their website. It's a public document. Do you agree with the data from the Ministry of Roads? If you have any reservations to that, kindly leave a comment in the comment section so we know. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching. Bye.
I'm not going to walk. Open up. Breaking the eight. Breaking the eight. When you play, breaking the eight.
And conditions. This localized approach will also help to create jobs and stimulate local economy, providing employment opportunities in construction and related industries. The District Road Improvement Program DRIP is not just about roads, it is essentially about people. It's about ensuring that the benefits of our nation's economic growth are felt by every Ghanaian, regardless of where they live. It is about providing the infrastructure necessary to support sustainable development and improving the quality of life for all Ghanaians. Ladies and gentlemen, Nime and Anum, as we move forward with this initiative, it is essential that we adopt a collaborative approach. The success of this program depends not only on the resources and equipment we're providing, but also on the involvement of all stakeholders. As the Metropolitan Municipal and District Chief Executive, to take full ownership of this initiative and adhere to the operational manual which will be issued by the supervising ministries and key stakeholders under the program to ensure proper use and sustainability. Ensure that the equipment is used judiciously and maintained properly. Prioritize road projects that will have the most significant impact on your communities and work collaboratively with the 48 Engineer Regiment to achieve the best results. I urge the Ministry of Local Government, Decentralization and Rural Development, whose minister will be the accounting officer of this program, to establish monitoring and evaluation mechanisms to track the progress of road projects and ensure accountability. These mechanisms should provide regular updates on the status of road works, highlight areas where additional support may be needed, and ensure that resources are being used appropriately. Transparency and accountability are critical to the success of this initiative, and the ministry should be committed to upholding these principles at every stage of the process. To the people of Ghana, I ask for your support and cooperation as we embark on this transformative journey Let us all play our part in ensuring the success of the District Road Improvement Program. Hold your local authorities accountable, participate in community engagements, and contribute to the maintenance and preservation of the improved road infrastructure. In conclusion, let me reiterate the government's staunch pledge to improving the road networks across Ghana. Today, we launch more than just a program. We launch a new era of progress and development. Together, we can build a Ghana where every citizen has the opportunity to thrive, where our communities are connected, where our nation can continue to grow and prosper. May God bless us all and our homeland, Ghana, and make her great and strong. I thank you.